Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove the powered by Shopify in Shopify. So firstly, open up your Shopify website and then click on themes inside your online store. Then click on the three dots over here. Then go to edit languages. Then simply search in the filters powered. And before making any changes, let me show you what the store currently looks like. So this is the store, and if you scroll down, you will find that it is right there written powered by Shopify. Now, simply what you have to do is just simply click on the links over here and just simply press space to make this disappear. And in the powered by Shopify HTML, just simply remove this and again a space. And then what is left is to just save it. So just simply click on save. So now if I refresh this page, this should be gone. As you can see, the powered by Shopify icon has gone. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.